Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. While Surfshark VPN isn't completely free, there is a way to get a free trial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Surfshark's free trial and how you can extend it beyond the initial 7 days. If you like Surfshark and decide to commit to a long-term plan, you can use the special discount link in the description to save some extra cash. To start, you'll need to activate the free trial on your phone, but don't worry, you won't be restricted to using Surfshark only on mobile. Once you've created your account, you can install the Surfshark app on other devices like your computer, laptop, or tablet. Getting the mobile app is simple. Just download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and set up your account. Keep in mind, you need to be a new user to claim the free trial. If you've had a subscription with Surfshark before, you won't be eligible unless you create a new account. Once you have the app, enter your details and choose the Surfshark VPN trial option. You'll need to provide your credit card information, but don't worry, you won't be charged unless you go beyond the 7-day period. The great thing about this free trial is that it's fully functional, so you can test the service without any limitations, just as if you'd paid for it. Personally, I've used Surfshark for a while and found it to be a great balance between affordability and performance. It gives you access to content that's not available in your region, and it barely impacts your internet speed. It's also a solid choice for privacy due to its strong security features. There's really no reason not to try the free trial to see if it suits your needs. Just be sure to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. If you do enjoy the service, you can use the discount code provided in the comments or the description to save money on a long-term plan. On top of that, Surfshark offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it for longer than the 7-day trial. Keep in mind that you'll need to pay up front and request a refund within the first 30 days if you're not satisfied. There's also another way to get Surfshark for free through their referral program. By inviting friends to sign up, you can earn a free month for each friend who stays on for at least 30 days. While it may be tricky to get enough friends to sign up to keep using Surfshark for free, it's still an option. Alternatively, you can make use of the discount link in the description, or test the service through the free trial available on Android or iPhone. To sum it up, you can always get Surfshark for free. Take advantage of the 7-day free trial, the 30-day money-back guarantee, and the friend referral program to use it without paying for a longer period. If you decide to pay for a subscription, don't forget to use the discount link below to save some money. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links in the description for the best discounts. Like and subscribe for more videos. And let me know in the comments if there's a cybersecurity topic you'd like me to cover. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.